Hey, peace, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I do talk about ways to make money online. I talk about establishing business credit, creating passive income, generational wealth. Really, I'm no guru. I'm just here to plant some seeds with my people, and hopefully you water them and nurture them, and something resonates with you that can help you get to your next level and helps you on your journey. So if you're interested in that, then please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Let's get into it.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money? I'm gonna make this a short video, as short as I can. So last video I did make about making $10,000 a month using business credit, but today I'm gonna talk about a brother who started a new venture and started making $10,000 a month reoccurring in 28 days. That's in under 28 days really, but in 30 days. I'm gonna tell you why, and I'm gonna tell you how he did it, okay? Why he did it, because the product or service that he's presenting to people is Tradera, and it's dealing with forex. I think a lot of it had to do with what's going on in the economy, and people want to work from home too. The perfect timing, and it's the beginning of it. So when you get in on the beginning of something, then you like at the founder level, and then that way you have the most benefits because you got in on the beginning. So as of right now, it's still booming. But let me just share this with you. How he did it, or why he did it, how he did it. So the product or service is an educational platform. One, you get to learn about forex, the foreign exchange market. I don't know how long in this system. Let me be transparent. I do not know how long this may continue to go on. I don't know how long forex is going to be booming, but I will say people are still making money with it today. So the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is today to start missing opportunities. But let me get into it for real. All right, boom. It's an educational platform. You learn forex. Okay, $99 to get in, $99 a month. However, the flip side to that $99 is if you sign up 3 people, it becomes free. And you can sign up under a business. So that means, guess what? You can use business credit to sign up as a company to learn Forex Tradera, and to promote learning Forex and Tradera, and to learn network marketing inside of that system. Okay, so that's that. Now, I will say this. There's levels and tiers to where you can start making, $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, $10,000 a month. And this cat, Stephen Rachel, black guy with glasses, you can go check out his story. He started out, kind of like everybody else, trying to figure things out, and then got into the affiliate marketing and started pumping out information. But I'm gonna tell you some key points in a minute, and my whole mindset with this, because I haven't been taking advantage of this opportunity as much as I need to. Just be transparent, but maybe it's an opportunity you want to jump into, So, and you can go check him out. You ain't got to follow up under me. Go check him out. Go check out his videos. See how passionate he does webinars at 9 p.m. Eastern every day since he launched. So, if you want to learn more about that, then I put the first link to kind of actually talk about that. But I put the link to the webinar too, so you can go check that out too. But peep this. I'm gonna tell you this. $10,000 a month in a crisis on Forex, we're really with Tradera. Not even trading yet. But if you want to get the Forex, let me give you the real game. I'm gonna give you the real game right here. Jeremy Cash, CEO, has a strategy called One Candlestick. And I think he has free videos on it. I paid for a course like $100 one time. And for me, broke it down in a manner that was easy to receive. And I got a little demo account, and I've been trading. I did a live account. Won about $4, lost about $6. Just got started off real small. I'm only doing 1 cent lots. That's another story. But I do pretty good on the demo accounts. I'm trying to just wait until I get real savvy with it. But anyway, broke it down, strategy, and you can go learn that for free. Check that brother channel out. All right, Coach Max is in Tradera, and once you join up, you have access to one of her strategies, and a lot of people have been loving her information as well. So you can probably go find her on YouTube too. but you can find that for free. So let me give you the game. Go check them out for free, okay? But if you want to learn forex, you go do that for free. You don't need to join no program. But if you're going to join a program, $99 a month, and you sign up 3 people, it's free, and then you can make money from the program and learn the platform. I think that's a fair budget and it's fair idea if you're looking for a program. If not, peace, I love you. But if you are still here, I'm gonna tell you why this man and his wife, their team, have made $10,000 a month from this new venture, and I'm sure they got other ventures going on that's already making them money as well. The brother is doing a webinar every day, 9 p.m. Eastern, a live presentation every day since they start pumping out the product, since they start pumping out the platform every day. Now, granted, he already had a following. He already had some subscribers. He already has been doing affiliate marketing. So he does have some advantage over other people. It's just called experience. The only way to get experience is, really is to just get experience. You want to learn from other people, you can get experience that way, but majority you're gonna get experience by living it. And he took massive action. He didn't sit around and say, man, this is a good product, I'm gonna throw it out there on Facebook, or I'm gonna throw it out there on YouTube, or I'm gonna throw it out there on Instagram. I think he just mainly deals with Facebook and YouTube. I'm sure he may be running traffic. I have no idea. I don't know if he's running traffic or not. But his free content alone, with the amount of people that subscribers that he has, and the systems that him and his wife are able to build, landing pages and things like that, because it comes with a landing page and you can insert your own videos and stuff. It's powerful. So what I want you to get out of this is you can make $10,000 a month in the middle of a crisis, but are you willing to get up and apply that pressure every day? Are you really to focus every day? Are you willing to hold yourself accountable every day? You can do it, but it's not gonna come to you, right? I'm all about manifesting, but what they say, faith without works, man, you got to, put your energy, your focus, you got to get up and get into it. So I'm telling you, if that brother, I don't care about somebody's experience, and yeah, they got a lot going on, but I'm saying the potential that you can do that in that short period of time. And everybody should have time. If you're creating content for anything right now, create your content. I don't care what it's for. It ain't got to be with Tradera, it ain't got to be with forex. I'm just telling you the opportunity that this man has taken advantage of, and maybe you want to join too. But look, it ain't even about that. What it is about is the mindset. Look at his mindset. Look at his actions. Look at how determined he is. All you have to do is go check him out on Facebook or check out his YouTube and check out the consistency in which this man has been operating. Like I said, I could be throwing myself under the bus because you just go sign up under him, because I'm not marketing on that to that level, But I will say this, I wanted to bring it to attention to y'all so, you can see the attention to detail, the attention to hustle, because you could potentially mimic that in your own lane. Okay? So once you know your target audience, you know your demographic, okay, cool. And one thing you learn about in sales is a no is just a step closer to a yes. You're not looking for people who are rejecting you or not interested. You're just looking for the people that are. So that's why it's very important that when you are in the lane, you have a sub niche and you know your demographic, and you know their behaviors, you know what they like, you know their dislikes, you know how to be in tune with them. But I know all y'all on my channel really on here mainly, most of y'all here for business credit, because that's what the YouTube algorithm deemed me as somebody to talk about and wanted to post those, promote those videos more. My Make Money Online videos don't do as well, but it's all good because somebody might take this information and run with it. So I want to let you know that the opportunity is on the table, is on the platter for you right now. If you want to do something similar to that, you can do it with this platform, but you can do it with whatever platform you working. I don't even care if it's ClickBank. If you're doing affiliate marketing with that, I don't care what it is. Do you have the accountability and the hustle and the determination and the mindset to not care what anybody's going to think about you and get up and do it every day? It's going to take massive action. You know, of course you want to be in alignment and be in tune with your abundance, but you just can't sit there and think it's going to come to you. I don't care what opportunity that you have ever joined. And if it's your last dollar, don't join no program. Create content around something. Content is king right now. People are getting paid from content. You can be clipping toenails, and next thing you know, you have affiliate marketing program with toenail clippers or something. You know, I'm just saying the opportunity is out there for you. If it presents itself, take it. Get up, create some content, promote your business, promote your service, or get in your lane and get to it, man. It's money on the table right now. The millionaires are made in a state of crisis. And guess what? Everybody want to know how to make money online right now. Everybody want to eat right now. Everybody panicking. Everybody need toilet paper, hand sanitizer. Find your lane, get in the game, and you can make $10,000 a month too. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?